What is event bubbling? Event bubbling is a concept in JavaScript where if an event is triggered on a child element, then that event will propagate up the DOM tree to its ancestor elements. It propagates to the DOM tree by one level at a time till it reaches the root element of the DOM. So let's understand practically. In this code, you can see that we have a button which is inside the div container. Now both of them have separate click events configured, and there are separate functions which are calling an alert individually. Now in the browser, let me click on the div, and here the alert pop-up appeared with the text div is clicked. Now let me click on the button, and you can see that the alert popped up with the text button is clicked. So this means that the click event of the button is triggered. But now if I close this pop-up, then another alert is coming which says div is clicked. This means that the click event of the div is also triggered. So if I click on the button, then the handle button click function triggers, and then the handle div click function is also triggered. This behavior is called event bubbling.